Hi, welcome to my vlog. Tomato plants near my ducks are getting fucking huge. Zucchini already flowering. Nice. Nice, there's fish in my stream now. Nice! Not good enough. Alright, who's making breakfast? Me. Time for blood work. Cool fish. Very cool.
The other one looked like stunning, like, you know.
That is so fucking cool.
Videos doesn't
You know why sharks don't eat lawyers, right? Professional courtesy.
There you go.
Boom, motherfuckers. The hedge fund's real. We're fucking live. First $500,000. Life is so much better when you're on the side of the line that enjoys the first of the month.
Roll up to somebody's house.
Yeah.
Doing a drive-by in Irvington might mean something different.
Me and Chuck will sit down and go over it tomorrow. Tomorrow we're planning on going over some of the leads that you guys brought this week.
Yes, C4 program. Personal training advice. Thanks, Ivan. It's almost 11 p.m. I just spent 4 hours in the office writing for nobody else but myself. And it felt fucking therapeutic. Do something for you. What the fuck are you looking for?
Every rose has its thorn.